Hi, I'm going to show you all today how I make homemade hair conditioner. This is a great conditioner, and I'm going to be using 4 different essential oils today, but actually you could just use one. I just prefer to use a blend of them. But some people, unless they use essential oils regularly, it's hard for them to afford to buy several of them at one time, although they're not really that expensive. But anyway, just want to let you know you can just use one of these oils instead of 4 if you wish to do so. So first, we're going to start with a can of coconut milk. Pour that into here, and make sure you get a can instead of the carton, because the canned milk is a little bit thicker. Okay, we put that in there, and then next we're going to add a tablespoon of jojoba oil. Jojoba oil is very good for the hair. Put that in there. And then we're going to add to that a tablespoon of honey. Okay, and then we're going to add 10 drops of sandalwood. And next, 10 drops of geranium. And don't worry if you put a little extra, it's not going to hurt anything. Next, 10 drops of lavender. And lastly, I'm going to use lemon today. Sometimes I use cedar wood, but today I'm using lemon. Both of those are very good for your hair. Okay, and now we're going to give it a good stir. And also, when you're using this, you want to keep it in the fridge so the coconut milk doesn't spoil. And just take it out when you need to use it. And lastly, here we're going to pour this into an old shampoo container I have. It fits just about perfect in this one. This is a 15-ounce container. And there you go. We have some wonderful homemade hair conditioner. So may want to give this a try. If you do, I believe you'll really enjoy it. I've enjoyed making this. I've been making it for a while now and really enjoy it. Never go back to store-bought conditioner again. So thanks for watching, and we'll talk to you later.